iOS 27 Beta 3 is released, and these are the changes I liked. The sides of the Siri has a glowing effect now. In the settings, there is a new indexing pop-up. I hope this one actually indexes faster compared to the beta one and is not a bug. If you are using a depth wallpaper and you scroll down on an album art, it has a depth effect. Looks quite good. On the settings of the Shortcuts app, we have two options: describe a shortcut or editor. This is the editor mode, and this is describe a shortcut mode. Mobile data turned off pop up is fixed now. It is perfectly aligned compared to beta 1 and beta 2. The blur effect is still on a straight line, and this is not fixed in the beta 3 as well. I hope this gets fixed in the upcoming public beta release or beta 4 release. The keyboard still takes noticeably longer time, as you can see. Now it is fine. The photos selection menu takes quite a time to load, as you can see. Apple Intelligence is taking more space compared to the beta 2, and the system data has increased by about 2 gigabytes. Like and subscribe for more future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.